think we are a team, eh, Charlie?
We'll figure something out. But first thing first, we need to find her mom.
That's right. I think we should go to the village nearby. Can't be too long.
Yeah, let's go. Don't worry.
Feel so close to you right now, it's a force field where my heart almost sleeps like it's a big deal. Your love comes down on me, surrounds me like a waterfall, and there's no stopping us right now. I feel so close to you right now, and I never knew I would feel what I feel when I'm with you. I never knew I would feel what I feel when I'm with you, when I'm with you. No, come close, hold me now, hold me now. Oh, come close and hold me now, hold me now. There's no stopping us right now. Yeah, I never knew I would feel what I feel when I'm with you.
This the mom? Oh my god! Thank you so much for finding her. Thank you so much for finding her.
No thanks is required, man. We're just doing our job.
Can I ever repay you? We would like to know if you know of any spacecraft that can take us back to Earth immediately.
Please, Earth? But that's so far away.
so much. The thing is, Earth is so far away. The distance already, no matter how much time we have, I don't think we can make it.
It's quite funny that y'all should mention distance.
Alpha, is there something you know that we don't know?
Okay, remember when we were looking for the fuel and for the broken rocket ship? I actually went inside the rocket and I searched through the stuff and I found a huge map with a map line that actually leads us to a wormhole.
Wormhole? Can you take us back to Earth?
Of course, and to go straight, right, it actually takes the journey to only 8 hours of clock speed. So we're so happy because if we don't get there, it'll close like 12 noon tomorrow Earth time.
We can make it.
Okay. I'm sure nobody wants to stay on this planet for another few more months. Let's work quickly. Go!
Wait, guys, wait. You need to put out the fire back there in the cave?
Wait, there's a jungle right next to them.
Oh my god!
It's all about giving, it's all about trust, it's all about people, it's all about us.
It's all about being human and having a heart. It's all about being human and bringing a heart.
It's all about healing, it's all about life, it's all about helping the weak survive.